In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use compass on Seiko Alpinist. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The Seiko Alpinist is a popular field watch known for its ruggedness and built-in compass bezel. You will be able to understand this bezel and use it to locate yourself. So, the Alpinist has a rotating bezel marked with cardinal directions, so north, south, east, and then west, and often a 24-hour scale. You will also have the 24-hour hand, which is the hand that indicates the current hour on a 24-hour clock. So first, if you are on the northern hemisphere, you will be able to use the compass by finding the sun. So ensure that you have a clear view of the sun and point the 24-hour hand directly at the sun. Once it is being pointed directly towards the sun, you will be able to rotate the bezel. So rotate the outer bezel so that the S, so the south marker, aligns with the midpoint between the 24-hour and the 12 o'clock position. So it should be right here on the midpoint. And then you can read the direction. The north marking on the bezel now indicates true north, so you will be able to use it to locate yourself. Alternatively, if you are on the southern hemisphere, the process is mostly the same. So once again, make sure that you have a clear view of the sun and then point the 24-hour hand directly at the sun. Rotate the bezel so that north aligns with the midpoint between the 24-hour and the 12 o'clock position. So once you have this alignment done, you will be able to read the direction. So now south, or the S marking on the bezel, indicates true south. And you can use this to locate yourself depending on the hemisphere. I hope I was able to help you on how to use compass on Seiko Alpinist. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.